Hello Kenya, from the green heart of Maseno, where dust rises with destiny and young champions are forged. This is Kipjisa Raj Media, bringing you the thunder of Day 5 at the National Term 1 Games. Thursday was no ordinary day. It was the fifth action-packed sunrise, a day when nerves locked horns with ambition, when the Maseno air carried the heartbeat of a nation watching its future stars rise. The morning erupted with races, jumps, throws, rugby tackles, and basketball semi-finals tightened to breaking point. By mid-morning, the script had already changed for many finalists, some stepping boldly into victory, others bowing out after giving their all. In the field events, a warm and stylish touch came from Secretary General Madam Diana Wambua, who led the awarding of certificates in a way only she can, gracefully, spirited, and electrifying. She turned what is usually routine into a moment of pure celebration.
Won the champion. The coach is here for Sharon for upright. Oh, okay, thank you. Sharon Tepquez, the champion in Javelin Junior Girls. Congratulations. With Javelin Primary Boys, the guest to award is Nicholas Otieno from Ministry of Education, Nakat, escorted by Catherine Komu, NEC member from Central.
His name came, Calvin Munga, just 7 years old, the smallest on the track, but the one with the biggest courage, running against towering athletes. Calvin refused to be intimidated. Instead, he ran into history.
Pewa soda kwanza, mlete Calvin Munga hapa. Peleke hapa Calvin Munga. Ameanza maneno, ameanza.
Finishing behind giants, he became the true champion of the day, breaking his own record on his 7th birthday. The crowd didn't just cheer, they rose to their feet.
Organizing secretary anampatia shilingi 1,000 taslim. Alafu bwana hapa anamuongezea na shilingi 200. Wapi makofi? Yameni sasa mwenyewe kungoza pale. Anaitwa Calvin Munga. Calvin Munga. Kutoka Tanzania.
Carried to the dais like a victorious warrior, little Calvin harvested rewards from the decorated table, cash gifts flooding in from President Mamai Etiang, Organizing Secretary Oltukai John, Treasurer Margaret Ngale, honored guests, and moved spectators. He became a hero, a symbol, a reminder that courage is taller than height. The fifth day at Maseno did not just produce champions, it produced moments, miracles, and memories that will outlive the running tracks and the roaring crowds. From Maseno, this has been Kipchisa Raj Media, bringing you the heartbeat of Kenya's young stars.